Hey sewing friends! Today I'm here to give you the lowdown on the long-awaited Metra Blazer. This blazer has been in production for months. I have started with so many different versions to get to where I am today, and I'm so happy with it. I hope you guys are too. So first, let's go over a few details. We have two views. We have the wide lapel, which is what I'm wearing right now. And then we also have the shawl collar, which is a more simple style. It's meant to be like an open front blazer like that. The wide lapel does meet a little bit more like this. There's no closures, but you of course can play with it and add some if you want to. The really cool thing about this blazer is the clean finishing on the inside. Let me show you. What I'm calling welt inseam pockets. I don't know if this is the correct term. It's not really a welt pocket, but it's got a really nice design where you have a big pocket, you can fit your iPhone in there, and it's got a nice clean finish. So let me tell you a little bit about the fit. It is meant to be a casual fit, so you can wear it, you can wear it to work, you can wear it out, you can just wear it, make it in a French terry and wear it during the day as a cozy cover up. There is a good amount of ease through the bust, the waist, and the hips, and it's meant to hit at the back, just above the full hip. The front is a little bit longer. So let's talk about fabric, my favorite topic. This pattern is meant for medium weight, stable knit fabrics. So here are some examples. We have some French terry that it's more of a medium weight French terry. There is baby French terry. I probably wouldn't recommend that, or if you do, you might want to size down because those looser knit fabrics, they'll kind of grow on you. Another fabric that I'm dying to sew this in is this stretch suede. It's a double-sided, I think this would be considered a double knit, and it's a perfect weight. And this, how cool would this be for like a night on the town with some black jeans? You can use sweater knit. If you do, it needs to be a heavier weight sweater knit, like it's more closely knit together. And of course, you definitely want to do all the interfacing as suggested in the pattern. So here's one example of a sweater knit that I got from StyleMaker. Like I mentioned before, you can definitely do something more casual and fleecy like this, fleece backed, like a sweatshirt knit, that's what that is. And then of course, for like a more dressy option, you could do Liverpool. We got a print here, it has a nice texture, or like even a solid, just will go with everything. So you're probably wondering, how much fabric do I need? For sizes extra small through 2X, you need 2 yards, and it needs to be at least 56 inches wide. Sizes 3X through 5X, you need 2 1/8 yard, and that is for the shawl collar view. For the wide lapel view, for the 2X through 5X, you will need 2 3/4 yards. Okay. So this pattern, I am rating it for intermediate sewists because of the more tricky details in doing the shawl collar and the welt pockets. However, I do include really clear instructions as well as some video clips. I honestly think anyone can follow a pattern if they can follow a recipe. So I really encourage beginners to give it a try.